Live. Okay. Mine's working.
All right.
And then I'm going to get my quiz up. For some reason, I was thinking I was working out of the book yesterday, so I got my quiz up.
Oops. Do you guys in the iLearn 3.0 have the problem where you have classes that you took like last term on there?
Yeah.
How do you get rid of them? It's really annoying.
You can, there's somewhere where you can choose that. I don't remember where I did. Maybe in the setup.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah,
Yeah, I'll just
sometimes mine, like a little box will come up and then I can filter it from like spring semester or fall semester, but it doesn't, like the little box doesn't always come up. So, Ed.
Okay.
That's annoying.
Just kind of play with it. I know there's a setting somewhere when we set it up, and then like Carly said, you can hide some of it. It allows you to do that.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Is everyone there? I can start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, we're ready.
Question 3. Which hypothesis involves equality? The null hypothesis, alternative, or true?
The null.
And the null, yeah.
The null. Yeah. Okay, then the next one, let's see, number 4. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? The null. Okay. So far, so good. No greater than, less than signs.
The next one.
I know.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay.
I can read that one.
Yeah.
Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test?
Oh, that one's
The
easy.
third.
The third
Yes.
one, yeah.
See, there's no greater than, less than in that answer.
That's easier.
Number 6, which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test?
It'd be the first one.
I always
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
And the next one's right-tailed, so that would be the second one.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay.
All right. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis?
Failing to reject. So the p-value would have to be
Less than.
Yeah.
failing to reject. Yes, less than. So it's the first one?
No, the
Second.
second.
Oh, less than. See, those greater than, less than values.
Okay, I heard it once that like it's like a crocodile mouth, and the crocodile mouth like opens to the, if that helps you. Yeah.
Okay. I think I know the rule, but mentally, I get, I don't
Yeah,
know.
opens
I'm
to eat the
dyslexic.
larger.
What can I say?
Opposite of what you think. Basically. It's kind
There you go. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. What numbers? 9. Which relationship would result in rejecting the null hypothesis? So if you're rejecting the null hypothesis, that means the p-value is less than. So that would be, wait a minute, that would be the second one.
No, I thought it was. Wait, wouldn't it be greater than?
Rejecting
Yeah.
the null hypothesis?
Yes. Yeah.
It would have to be greater than. You're right. So that would be the first one.
The first one. Okay.
Wait, did we get these mixed up?
I think so.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Number 8 is supposed to be the first one. Sorry.
Oh, now
Rejectional
you're really
hypothesis.
going to confuse me.
I didn't understand the question after I read it. Now I'm
Okay, so failing to reject.
Because they're both saying rejecting.
Yeah.
Okay, so
The first one is kind of like.
so failing to reject
accepting.
means the p-value is
Greater than?
Greater than
greater
alpha.
than. Okay,
Yeah.
that one makes sense. I can hang on to that one. And so number 9 is rejecting
Would be
the
less.
null.
It would be less than
So this is
that mean alpha sign.
So that would be the second one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right.
An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believe that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? The third one?
Average.
Yes, I
Is
think so.
the 1,500?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So question 11 is which of the following would be appropriate for the null hypothesis? The average claim amount is equal to it, right?
Yeah.
So the first one.
Mhm.
I have to admit, going into this chapter, it has gotten a lot easier. I was very frustrated the first day I read this material. But I feel better now. Okay, number 12 then. An insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? Yes, because the sample size is large. The first one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? So that would be the central limit theorem or law of large numbers. I always get those two confused.
I think
I think
it's
it's-
law of large numbers.
I think it's the central.
Yeah, it's the central.
Is it?
Yeah, because
Let's
I
see
mean,
that.
Lee, I've got it on my cheat sheet.
Because it's the shape of the distribution.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So
you're
it's central.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, which of the following is the test statistic? The second one, the Z
Z.
score.
I don't even know what S is. I can't remember.
S is the standard deviation.
No, that's the little.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
that's the little
Zero
circle, the O. The S
I don't
is,
think S is a thing.
what is the S? Hold
I don't-
on, I have my cheat sheet.
Did we even learn about
I
it?
don't think.
Okay, the S
I
is
think
standard
S is-
deviation. The O is a population standard deviation.
Oh.
There's different.
Okay.
Yeah, my cheat sheet didn't really help me on the exam.
I didn't use it. No, I did use it once, I think. I don't remember what I used it for, but maybe it was for the definition of the central limit. Okay, what's the Z score? Did anybody get that far?
Working on it.
Okay.
It's negative. Oh, there's a sample of 36 cells.
Yes.
So 40 divided by 6, right?
40 divided by, yes. Negative 0.9?
Yeah, negative 0.899.
Where do you write it? Is it two
3 decimal places.
places?
Well, it says over and over not to round the number until your final answer. So I divided my divisible is 6.6666. The lucky
Okay.
number 6. So that I got a 0.9000.
Okay, I think I probably missed a few on the exam because of that. 'Cause
Oh,
I don't have the right kind of calculator. I've just been using a calculator on the internet. And so I've just been like rounding each number because I have to keep going back and putting more stuff.
right. Yeah, they might count it wrong. You would think they'd have a deviation of 1 degree, but maybe not. Okay, so my answer then is negative 0.90. 0.00.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay. Okay, applet. Okay, less than.
Is it less than or greater than?
It is less than. But don't take my word for it. It's pointing the other way, so I think it's less than.
Yeah, it's less.
Yeah, it decreased. So 0.84? 0.184?
Yeah.
0.184. Yeah, that's what I got. Okay, then number 17, I would fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah. Because it's larger.
Yeah, because it's larger. Okay.
So you only reject the null hypothesis if it's smaller, right?
Yes.
Then the 0.05 that they have.
Yeah, then the A
Whatever
Oh,
that word is, what is that called?
alpha.
Level of significance.
Okay. So then 18 is we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
I think it's the second one.
Oh,
No, I think it's the third one too. It's not is. We have a greater than, less than. It's less than. So the is would be equal to.
Right. And that's the null hypothesis. And we rejected the alternative, right?
We
Right.
failed to reject. So we rejected the alternative. Yes.
So it should be equal to 150 then. Because that's the null hypothesis.
yeah, I think it is the second one.
So it would be equal to it?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. I agree. The second one. See, these are trick questions.
I had a hard time with the errors, the type 1 and type 2 errors. I'm a little
I
confused.
know. I just had to write it down.
Yeah, I used the diagram and it helped me a lot.
Let me see.
So number 19, then I think it's a type 2, the first one.
one.
Yeah,
Okay.
the type 1.
Okay. Yeah, type 1, you reject the null hypothesis when it in fact was true. Type 2, you
Right.
don't reject the null hypothesis when the alternative hypothesis is true.
Right.
You need to write that definition down on our cheat notes. For sure.
Here's it, bud.
Can I
Can you do that?
turn a movie on? I don't know how to turn on.
Okay.
That cute little voice.
I know.
I wonder how old she is.
Is it a girl? I thought it was a boy.
Oh, I don't know. It might be.
Maybe.
think it
Was it a girl?
No, it's boy.
Okay.
I didn't see him how he or she was dressed, but that's okay.
Okay, sorry, I'm back.
So was that a little boy or a little girl?
Boy.
That was your boy. See, you were right.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 20.
Okay. A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance A equals 0.05, he will use A equals 0.01. Which of the following will be true?
Oh, this is in our preparation, I think.
Yeah.
So this would be the second one. The lower
What's
the
the
score,
rule
the
for that?
higher the type 2 error will increase.
That's the rule. The lower the level of significance, the higher type 2 error.
Yeah. Or vice versa, the higher the significance, the lower the type 2 error.
So in the preparation, it says if the alpha or whatever is 0.01 level, what is the probability of committing a type 1 error? And it was 1 in 100 or 1% chance.
Right.
And then with the type 2 error, if you want to, it says we would need to increase the level of significance. I don't really know.
So
Yeah, I think
it's,
it's. Go ahead.
I think you're right. It's type 2 error will increase.
Okay. Type 2 it is. Oh, and Naomi, here's your other question. You kind of answered for us. If the significance is 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. It would be
5%.
5%. 0.05, I guess. Round to
How do
2
you-
decimal points, so it'd be 0.05.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Smith. Do you have it?
Oh, we only missed one. Nice.
Yep, I missed one. Which one did we all miss the same one, I guess? Let's see. Number 18.
Yeah.
Okay. That was it must be insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
So the third one? Yeah, it must be.
I
Oh.
guess that kind of makes sense since that was like the purpose of us doing.
Right. They say we
hypothesis
can't
test?
accept the null hypothesis as being true. We can only reject it if it's not.
That's true, yeah.
I forgot about that.
Okay. Well, that's okay. We learned. It lodges further in our memory when we have these discussions, so that's great.
And I feel like we do
Okay.
so well on our quizzes. Like, I think we do awesome on them.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I got a 90 on my final or my other exam, but that's okay. 88 is pretty good.
Yeah, they had some tricky ones that I think like we need to understand the material even more in depth that I didn't think was in the reading. I'm like, what?
That's what I figured too. I wish we would have known what ones we gotten wrong because I want to know what I was doing wrong.
I agree.
think-
Yeah.
I think they'll show once everyone's taken the exam.
Maybe
Well-
so we can go into quizzes and look at it.
I emailed the teacher if I can see what ones I got wrong, and then she said that we have to meet. They're not going to show it on iLearn because that's like how cheating happens, I guess, because they keep the test the same
Oh,
every semester.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. So
okay.
what you got wrong, you have to like meet with them, I think. I don't know.
We'll just have to review a little bit more. We'll just have to make up for it on the next test, right?
Yeah, I had a hard time. There was one that was like a 5-number summary. I was like, what? Because I remember we'd done that, but it was like, it was hard. Something about percentages. I was like, yeah.
All right. And the reading, we
I guess
had
we're
a
not
lot more
supposed to
reading.
talk about the test, so.
What was that?
I said, I guess we're not supposed to talk about questions on the test. I just realized.
Is it still broadcasting?
Well, we didn't give out any details. I'm not worried about it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, see you guys on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, ladies.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye.